Let us now do the second of the 16 exercises. Now that we have completed the first exercise, again, even here, we are going to do the count of inhale and exhale as 1 to 8. Okay, so inhale is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stretch your breath as long as possible. And your exhale is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This we are going to do along with motion. So connecting your mind, your body, and your breath. So let's begin exercise number 2 of the Qigong set. So again, we keep our feet shoulder width, tuck our tailbone in, keep your spine straight, abdomen inside, and get into Namaste position. This will open out the lower abdomen. So we will breathe 1 or 2 deep abdominal breaths with the count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The inhale and exhale will happen only through the nose, not through the mouth. Now, open your palms facing the sky. Now clench the fist and connect the last 3 knuckles. Now from here, we are going to open the fist upwards and touch the forehead and take your elbow back. And from here, we are going to go up, 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 straight up. As we exhale, we will again touch the forehead to the back of the fist. We will come down, back to the chest position. Let's start with the breathing. So from Namaste position, we open the palms facing the sky, connect the last 3 knuckles, and with inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, I touch the forehead, 5, 6, 7, 8, I'm full above. Now exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, I touch the forehead, take the elbows back, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do again. Knees slightly bent, the waist should be on both of your feet right in the center, not to the hip, not to the front of the foot. So let's start. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Stretch the elbow back, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look up. Stretch the entire spine upward, and from here, exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Touch the forehead. Get the elbows behind. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's look at it from a 45-degree angle to get a different view. So from Namaste position, get into palms facing the sky. Look straight. Connect your last 3 knuckles. Let's begin. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. The back fist touch the forehead. Stretch the elbows. Let the back fist go up, up, up. Up to 8 count. Hold for a second. Stretch your back. Let the entire spine stretch upwards. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's do it again. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Stretch the elbows. 5, 6, 7, 8. Look straight up. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do this again. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Get back into Namaste position and you can relax. The key important points of this exercise is as you take your thumbs, the knuckles up, connect them to the forehead and press your elbows back. to open up the entire cross section, the diagonal of your lungs. And as you stretch, pull it upward, stretching up the spine, opening each and every vertebrae, pull each and vertebrae upward. What this exercise does is first opens up the lungs diagonally and pulls up the entire rib cage up as you pull it, and as you settle it down. So pulling up the lungs and pushing up of the rib cage and the diaphragm and settling it down. So this opens up the upward and the vertical side of your lungs, making it even more spacious. This also you can do around 8 to 12 times. You can do this exercise in sitting posture, in your office chair. You can do it in Vajrasana also. There are many postures you can do this. Try this exercise at least 8 to 10 times and feel the benefit before you move to the third of the 16 Qigong. Let us now look at the second Qigong set in the sitting posture. As usual, explained in the first, let's sit at the edge of the chair. We will sit at the edge of the chair. Keep your spine straight, stomach inside, your tailbone tucked in, and we'll do the same exercise in sitting. So we'll start from Namaste position. From Namaste, palms facing up. Make fist and connect the last 3 knuckles. So as you inhale up to 4, touch the forehead, pull the elbows back. As you raise up, keep the knuckles connected, the last 3 knuckles connected. So often people will get this release, keep these connected. As we exhale, the back fist touches, elbows back, and we come down. So let's do this with breathing. From Namaste position, open your palms facing up. Connect the last 3 knuckles. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The knuckles stay connected. As you pull up, exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do this again. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep the knuckles connected. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do this for the last time. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Touch the knuckles to your forehead. Pull the elbows back. 5, 6, 7, 8. The knuckles stay connected. Pull the entire spine and the rib cage and your lungs up. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can do this during your office time. Each of these exercises can be done independently and individually. Whenever you feel like your position or your posture is bending forward while you're sitting, you can try this exercise and straighten up your spine and correct your posture, correct your breathing, and stretch out your lungs. Try this exercise in your office.